Hello traders, good afternoon. And today's date is, today's date is 18 and time is 3:22. अभी market चल रहा है. So I'm doing this video as soon as possible today. Very fastly we'll go for Nifty 50 today. Almost totally buy signal was activated today, and you can see market was like a rocket today. Yes guys, you can see after our buy levels market went like rocket. This is the beauty of our breakout strategy. Yes guys, we'll see next in graph Nifty 50 here. Yes guys, we are in Nifty 50 only. The buy was generated at 705. Yes guys, you can see here I've already market buy was on 705, and market you can see here buy level was generated here at the time of 11:30. I guess buy was generated and market went up to here. Still the market is running almost 181 points. Market is running in our from our buying levels. Okay, yes guys, next we'll go for Nifty futures. Nifty futures buy was generated at 777. Yes guys, you can see here Nifty 31st October futures, and here the buy was generated. Here the buy was generated at 24,777, and market is still up to the 24,957. Still market is running, you can see here. Yes guys, now next we'll move on to Nifty call option, and strike price is 24,600. We'll see at in our breakout strategy level. Nifty call option strike price is 24,600 and it was at 185. Okay guys, you can see here Nifty call option. This is a Nifty call option, strike price is 24,600, and you can see here buy was generated almost in everywhere. Buy is generated today, and market was totally bullish today, and put option was bearish, as opposite of yesterday. Okay, yesterday only I said you about this. Okay, this here was this at this place at this time at exactly at 10:30 a buy was generated, and markets went up to 482, from 330 to 482 almost. Okay guys, you can see here. Let's see how many points are earned here. Almost 151 points. Okay guys, you can see here almost 151 points. Now next we'll move on to Nifty Bank Nifty. Okay, Nifty will open the chart of Bank Nifty, and 524 we have marked 51,524, and market still it's going upwards. You can see here actually market was so bullish today, and let's see how many points we earned today in Bank Nifty. Almost 675 points. Oh my god, I've never seen this in history. I think in my experience, from our buying level market went up to 675 points. That's exactly great. You can see here almost 559 I took here, and up to 52,205. okay guys, 600 plus points were earned in Bank Nifty. Okay, now next we'll go for Bank Nifty futures. Let's see what our breakout strategy telling. Bank Nifty futures strike sorry, it's not a strike price, it's a buy level was generated at 750. This is Bank Nifty future, and you can see 71,750 here exactly here buy was generated. Here you can see at the first target our buy was generated, again market went up, and at the second target here also exactly it reached our buy level, and market was so bullish in Nifty Bank Nifty 2. Let's see how many points were earned here. Almost 668 points were earned in Bank Nifty futures. Okay guys, you can see here Bank Nifty futures. Okay guys, this is how our breakout strategy worked. I've showed this in very short video, and morning also I did one more video within 1.5 hours. Our breakout strategy is showing almost 20,000 plus profit. This is how you can trust our breakout strategy level, and it really helps a lot to recover all your losses and enjoy your trading. Thank you guys once again. Have a nice day. Okay guys, this is a profit showing in our breakout strategy in our order book, Excel order book. It is almost 42,000 plus, I mean nearby 43,000 plus profit in our breakout strategy level. Thanks for watching.